It's a pineapple coconut banana smoothie. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a pineapple coconut banana smoothie. I will be using for you 2 slices of pineapple, 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of powdered coconut milk, half teaspoon flaxseed, 1/3 teaspoon nutmeg, water, some cube ice, and I have my bullet ready. Alright. I'm adding the fruits to the bullet. And then I'm gonna cover it and blend. Here I'm adding my coconut powder. You can choose any one you prefer to use. My flaxseed, my nutmeg, some water that I will be using since I will not be using any liquid coconut milk. And then I'm gonna add my cube ice and cover and blend. So guys, remember pineapple is very good for you. The ripe banana have lots of iron in it, and the coconut milk, just topping it off, give it a nice flavor. So I'm suggesting you try out this recipe. It is a good breakfast replacement smoothie. And there you have it guys. I'm just gonna glass this now. My smoothies are great for weight loss guys, so go ahead and check them out. And it's a replacement meal for breakfast or dinner or even lunch if you're not a heavy eater. So go ahead and try out all my smoothies. You will love them. Alright guys. All done. My beautiful pineapple coconut banana smoothie. Look at it. Look at the delicacy of the color. It's really nice. Tastes like pina colada. Try it guys. It is good. Alright, coconut milk makes things taste so wonderful. So go ahead and try it guys. Alright. The ingredients will be in my description, so go ahead and check it out. Remember to like my videos, share it with your friends and families, and don't forget to tell me what you think about this smoothie. Leave me a comment and remember to subscribe. Alright guys. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you like my content, please to watch these videos at the end and subscribe to my channel. Bye, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys, take care.